Hey guys, on today's video, we're going to be sifting through the trenches of the dips. We're going to be siphoning, moving the shrapnel, and finding out what are the best cryptos in February. So it's time to find out if we can thicken up our crypto portfolios and make some money and send us all to the moon. Hey guys, my name is Gary Thompson. I am a comedic finance channel. I'm here to make you laugh and educate you. Oh, I should bought that crypto dip. I guess not that bad. Okay, let's get back to this video. Let's get into it. Like always, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that sub button. We're currently sitting at 333 subs, and I have a goal. So by my birthday, which is February 25th, I want to be able to be at 500 subs and just grow the community that big. So, and also, if we can hit that milestone, I will be giving away $50 in Bitcoin to anyone that comments snakes down below. So definitely check that out. Definitely, let's get the 500 by February 25th, and if we can blow that out the water and hit 1,000 by February 25th, let's do that. That's a pretty hefty goal, but let's see if we can do it. So I want you guys to smack. I want you guys to destroy the sub button. Like literally just eliminate it. Just tell your friend to sub too. And make sure you kiss that like button. And thank you guys always for the support. And make sure you comment down below. Snakes, like always. And actually, we have a special sponsor by Elder Gary. Elder Gary, you want to take over? Yes, sir. Got something very special for him. All right, Gary. Here we go. Hey guys, so I interrupt this video because super important announcement, guys. I started a Patreon, and well, basically, also if this audio is bad, I'm so sorry. I don't have a mic for this camera, but what Patreon is a way you guys can support me even further. If you don't want to join a Patreon, which is going to be $7 a month, guys, you don't have to. You can just continue to watch the videos, and that support me enough. But if you guys want to support me further and get benefits, you guys can sub to me on Patreon for $7. The link don't be down below. So what do you get for joining my Patreon? Well, I'm gonna tell you guys what you get. So what you get is you get to join a special Discord for Patreon members. We're gonna be talking about crypto, talk about everything, talk about life, just general chat, just talk about everything. Also, you guys are gonna get discounts on upcoming merch. I believe 10 or 20%, and it's gonna be Snake Gang merch. So Snake Gang Discord, Snake Gang merch. Drop snakes in the comments. You guys get to also tell me cryptos and different stocks and stuff you guys want me to make videos on, because I'm always open to suggestions. So in the Patreon, you guys can just request what videos you guys want. It's a community thing. And also, you get my detailed notes for every video, so you guys can learn more about the crypto, about the things I don't talk about in videos that I have actually wrote notes on for the videos. So definitely check out my Patreon. It's gonna be $7 a month. You guys don't have to, but if you wanna come join Snake Gang, check it out down below. Love you guys. Let's get back to the video. So let's talk about the first and main crypto that this video is pretty much about. Like always, guys, this video is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. And that crypto is Cosmos Atom. So why Atom? Why now? I truly believe that what Solana is trying to achieve, Atom will get there faster, better, and will actually get there to begin with. There's a lot of stuff wrong with Solana's back end, and everyone knows that. Cosmos Atom is going to be the next Ethereum. It's on its way. Basically, what Atom does is it connects all the blockchains together, and it fixes the expensive and harmful effects that crypto has on the environment. It also has a thing called the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol. It makes it easier for different blockchains to communicate together easier and more efficient. Now, they dub themselves the Internet of Blockchains, and with that name, there got to be high aspirations that team has. It's a layer 1 crypto that has 262 plus apps and growing. Its fees are sitting at 1 cent, and its transaction times are sitting at 7 seconds. We're talking about fast. We are talking about efficient. We are talking about inexpensive, and we're talking about good for the environment. Well, as good as it can be. This is everything we want in a crypto. This is our gold crypto. This is what we want. It's currently sitting at around $28 right now, and it has that one month low of $25.65. and a 1 month high of $44.65. And my guess is that at the end of this bear market, which I have predicted it to be early February, but more towards mid-February, we're going to see this thing explode. So what do I think it will explode to? I'm seeing a $45 jump, but by this end of the year, guys, I'm going to give a really bullish thought. I think we see $100. I see it crossing $100, not sitting healthy at $100, but I see it crossing $100, come back down to reach 85, 90. But I definitely see $100 being crossed, because Atom is a really good project. Definitely guys should check it out. Not financial advice, just check it out, see if you guys like it. I know there's a lot of Reddits dedicated to Cosmos. A lot of people love Cosmos. I know the cryptocurrency Reddit loves Cosmos, so definitely check it out, see if you guys like it, and let's move on to the next one. So the next crypto I will be talking about, they're not gonna be as in depth with Cosmos because Cosmos is something new I introduced to my channel, and these are more things I've talked about before. So the second one is Cardano. So why am I bringing up Cardano? Because I think, you know, Cardano is not the best, but I think it's really good. So the reason I bring up Cardano is going to be hype alone. Cardano is currently sitting at $1.05, and do you guys know how crazy that is for Cardano to be sitting at literally almost under $1? And I believe it actually dropped below $1. So Cardano has had a high of $3 before. So investing in Cardano at this $1 could thicken up a lot of your portfolios. This crypto is not a play on long term for me, it's a play on short term. It's a play that I believe Cardano could double its price, even triple its price that it's currently at in this year. So I can shoot to the moon with just a couple thousands invested in Cardano. So that's why I'm going to be investing in Cardano for a short term boost. And that also goes with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is another crypto I'm talking about that has that hype factor for that short-term boost, with companies such as Tesla talking about accepting it as payment. Do you guys understand Tesla? We're talking about a company worth billions. Tesla accepting Dogecoin as payment. That's really big, and that will shoot that price back up to the day it was before Saturday Night Live. So definitely I think Dogecoin is going to pop off if Tesla eventually lets Dogecoin be accepted payment for their vehicles. I understand merchandise, that's one thing. Vehicles is literally a whole nother realm that can literally skyrocket Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is probably, if not the most popular crypto behind Ethereum and Bitcoin. And with this sitting at 14 cents, we can see some crazy things happen with Doge soon. And guys, that's it for today's video. We're going to do a different part series. This is part 1 of my series. Part 2 is going to be a very long, in-depth video, about 20 minutes long, of different cryptocurrencies I think are going to pop off. I just wanted to get a video out for you guys, because thank you guys. Literally our last video popped off and went crazy. So if you're not subbed, make sure you hit that sub button. And yeah, that's pretty much, I guess, a Cosmos video. Love you guys. See you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the Patreon. See you guys in the next one. Peace.